With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, today we have a question from matrix. In this question, we are given what are elementary transformations of a matrix and what is echelon form of a matrix and what is rank. Now let's see what are elementary transformations of a matrix. There are three elementary transformations of a matrix. First one is the interchange of any two rows or columns. That means we can change one row with other row and one column with another column, but we can't change one row with another column. Yes. Now what is our second elementary transformation? Second transformation is the multiplication of elements of any row or column by any non-zero number. That means we can multiply elements of a row or column with any non-zero element except 0. We can multiply it with any positive or negative number. Now what is third elementary transformation? Third transformation is the addition to the elements of any row or column the corresponding elements of any other row or column multiplied by any number. That means as given in second operation, we can multiply a row with any number and add that multiplied row to another number, another row. That is what is our third elementary transformation. Now let us see what is echelon form of a matrix. A matrix is said to be in echelon form if every row of A which has all its non-zero elements occurs below the row which has non-zero elements. That means if a row has all elements as 0, then it should occur after the row which has non-zero elements. Yes, and our second echelon form is the first row of non-zero element in each non-zero row is 1. That means if we have a 0 in our echelon form in a row, then after 0 the first element should be 1. And the third condition is the number of zeros before the first non-zero element in a row is less than the number of such zeros in the next row. That means if a row has 3 zeros, then it should be after the row which has less than 3 zeros. As given in example, we have 1 1 3 0 1 2 0 0 0. Yes, in our second row 0 is our first element and after 0 our next element is non-zero element is 1. Yes, and in our third row what we have all zeros. It is occurring after the rows which has non-zero elements. Yes, now using elementary transformations we can transform a matrix into echelon form, and it is given that the number of non-zero rows in an echelon form of a matrix is called rank. Yes, and we also know one more thing. Doing all these elementary transformations, there won't be any change in the rank of a matrix. Now let us see. Here we have A. Matrix is given as 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 7, 3, 6 and 10. Yes, this is our matrix given. Now let us transform it into echelon form and then calculate the rank of this matrix. Now let us see here what we have. Yes, now let us do some operations in here. If we do first row operation, which is R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1. That means we get there is no change in first row, which is 1, 2, 3. And in second row we get 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 7 minus 6. And let us do R3 is equal to R3 minus 3R1. That means what do we get here? 1, 2, 3, and then first row is 1, 2, 3. If we do the subtraction, we get 3 minus 3, 6 minus 6, 10 minus 9. Yes, this is our matrix after doing these two transformations. Now let us do one more transformation on R3, which is R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. If we do this, what do we get here? 1, 2, 3, no change. 0, 0, 1 in R2, no change. In R3, what do we get? 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, this is our echelon form. In this, how many rows do we have non-zero rows? 2. Therefore, rank of the given matrix A is 2. Yes, now let us perform our operations on the given question. What do we have question? We are given a question. matrix, 4 by 3 matrix. In this we have to transform it into echelon form. Let us see here. We have 1, 3, 4, 3, 3, 9, 12, 9, 1, 3, 4, 1. Yes, this is our given matrix. Now let us do R2 is equal to R2 minus 3R1. There is no change in R1. We get R1 as 1, 3, 4, 3. And then now R2 will be 3 minus 3. 9 minus 3 3 is 9. Yes. 12 minus 4 3 is 12. And then what do we have here? 9. 3 3 is 9. Yes. And now we let us do R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. That means what do we get here? R3 minus R1 is 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4 and 1 minus 3. That means here we get our matrix as 1, 3, 4, 3, 0, 0, 0 and 0. 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0 and minus 2. Yes, what is our transform in echelon form? What do we have? Non-zero element rows should be before zero row. That means we can exchange R3 to R2. Yes, that means what do we get here? We get 1, 3, 4, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Yes, now here we have to transform it into echelon form. What is one condition that is not satisfied by echelon form? The first element after 0 elements should be 1. Here we have minus 2. That means we can multiply with R2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into R2. That means here we get 1, 3, 4, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is our answer here? We get answer as option 1. Option 1, 1, 3, 4, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is our answer. Yes? Thank you. Option 1 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.